Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, we are gonna be learning how to find your player ID in Ludo King. To find your player ID in Ludo King, launch the Ludo King app open on your device first. Once you do that, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Within the statistics page, your player ID will be displayed above your name. Tap the little clipboard icon right next to your player ID in order to copy your ID on your clipboard. This ID is typically a series of number or alphanumeric characters which uniquely identifies your account. Once you copy your ID, you can share it using any social media account like Facebook or Google, or you can also directly share it to your contact via SMS. So that's how you easily find your player ID on Ludo King. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more Ludo King tips and tricks. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.